You, Mama?
Thank you, Stratford. But what about little Chumley? Who'll care for my baby?
Suddenly you're worried about your baby's safety? I guess we could watch your kid for a little while. After all, we save the village on a weekly basis. How hard could it be to watch one baby?
Why did she trust us with a baby? We dropped a tree on her!
Yeah, let's, feed it a chili dog. Everyone loves chili dogs.
I don't think he can eat solid food.
Well, then put it in the blender.
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog!
Okay, that makes more sense. Here comes the airplane! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry, folks. Looks like there's a backup on the tarmac. Just sit tight and enjoy this encore airing of our safety video. Hello. Welcome. Aloha.
Just feed the kid already. Taking care of a baby isn't so hard. We totally got this.
I don't think so.
Me? Somebody needs to take responsibility for our actions. Why does it have to be us?
Sorry, guys. Not my monkey, not my circus.
We are go for removal of diaper 1.
Waste disposal.
Ready, waste bin.
We've changed a diaper.